Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmixer.com. I just finished doing a live strategy session. It was a long one. Talked a lot about risk management, about following the rules and trading with freaking fierce adherence to those rules and how to manage your risk. So if you're a member, I want you to definitely check this out. Okay, I go through our active trade list as well, but it's an important session for you to be watching. As with just about any subscription, um, it's rare for somebody. We actually have a lot of people that do this. We can see what you're doing, but it's rare for somebody to watch every single strategy session. Sometimes life gets in the way, but I always try to mention it to you when I really feel like it's an important one. And so this is one of those. If you're a member, I want you to definitely watch it. If you're not a member, what's it cost? $7 or something stupid like that for 14 days. So hoodwink me. Go ahead and sign up for a free trial. I say $7 is free. I mean, they just eliminated the pennies. So free trial, 14 days, sign up, watch the video. If you don't like it, cancel. That's the end of that. You paid $7 to watch a great video. So with that said, I want to go over RSI, Rush Street. This is a stock. I talked about it this morning when I was talking to Janet Alvarez on Sirius XM Biz Radio. I do that once a month. And I mentioned this. Rush Street, it's an online gambling company. Awesome fundamentals, really, really strong fundamentals. It hasn't been trading that long, just for a few years. But look at this, how this thing has come out and really, really formed a deep cup, long base, multi-year base. And now this is running higher again. It's a cheap stock, so you can trade it like a millionaire, $15, $15.50 a share. And so this is what we did. I'm just kind of letting you know. If you're not a member, I want you to see what my logic is on this. So the stock's held at the 50. So therefore, when I look at this, I see when a stock holds at the 50-day moving average, then it looks like that presents a decent buying opportunity. And so that is the case here. If I'd been focused on it a couple days ago, well, I actually was focused on it. I saw this the other day. I just didn't pull the trigger for our members. I put it on the active trade list today, a little bit lower than where it is now. So we're up 2.5% on it just today. But ideally, you see something like this. If you're watching it, you're looking for this to hold, and it does here. It's kind of tough to buy it on with this kind of choppy thing. But then, boom, one more day. That's confirmation. 2 days in a row, heavier than average volume. Pretty decent closing locations, meaning near the high of the intraday range. And then finally today, a total continuation of this. And so this is a stock that I put on the list today. Frankly, I think it's still buyable. If you're just looking at this stock now or after hours, maybe it'll pull back. Maybe it'll give you another chance to get it a little bit lower price, something like that. But this is a trade I think you can be making. Just maybe wait for a little better entry. It is up over the last 3 days, almost 10%. And that's kind of a big move in just a short period of time. But I like the squeeze. I like the setup. The fundamentals are monstrous. Nothing wrong with this stock. Okay. All right. That's all I got for you. Again, members, get over there, watch this stinking thing, spend the time and make the money. And that's all I got for you.